Is it time to buy or sell ACHR Aviation stock? In this video, we're diving deep into ACHR Aviation. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday 13th June 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of June, 2025, our system has ranked ACHR Aviation as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the days ahead. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, suggesting a promising buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $9.47 is breached, it may indicate a slower rate of increase and could serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. Currently, the 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 41.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 34.24% to 106.90%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 134.17%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 81.34% to 226.01% over the next year. In current terms, this places the future price somewhere between $18.12 and $32.57. Our latest daily update for ACHR Aviation includes the headline, "Is ACHR Aviation Inc. stock still a buy after falling 14.83% on Friday?" The ACHR Aviation Inc. stock price decreased by 14.83% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, dropping from $11.73 to $9.99. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.32%, ranging from a low of $9.77 to a high of $10.29. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 0.99% during this period. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day, with 79 million shares changing hands, although this occurred amidst falling prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, 105 million shares were traded, totaling approximately $1.05 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $13.92, while the lowest was $2.82. Currently, the price sits 28.23%, or $3.93, below the 52-week high, and 46.29%, or $8.61, below the all-time high achieved on February 18, 2021, when the price reached $18.60. ACHR Aviation Incorporated, trading under the ticker ACHR, experienced a notable decline of nearly 15% in its stock price on June 13, 2025, following its announcement of an $850 million capital raise through a registered direct offering. This offering involved approximately 85 million shares priced at $10 each, which was significantly below its previous closing price of $11.73. Heavy trading volume accompanied this drop, marking one of the stock's worst days ever as investors reacted critically to the funding method. The immediate market response reflects concerns about dilution and the timing of the offering, particularly following recent executive orders from President Trump directed at boosting electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle initiatives. While the capital is designated for enhancing infrastructure and developing an artificial intelligence-based aviation platform, such a steep price drop may lead to short-term volatility as investors reassess the company's financial strategy. However, in the medium to long term, if ACHR successfully utilizes this capital to innovate and expand its operations, It could strengthen investor confidence and support a recovery in stock prices. It remains essential for stakeholders to monitor the company's execution of its plans and the ongoing regulatory landscape in the eVTOL industry, as these factors will significantly influence future market performance and sentiment surrounding ACHR. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned ACHR a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned ACHR an overweight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned ACHR a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned ACHR an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned ACHR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Archer Aviation stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Archer Aviation. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Archer Aviation Incorporated is receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. During any upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels of $10.87 and $10.16. A breakout above either of these thresholds would indicate potential buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 24.89%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 82 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 36 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Archer Aviation. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.29 and $8.56. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this instance, Archer Aviation Inc. finds support just below today's level at $9.29. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.56 and $8.53. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 520 cents between its high and low, or 5.32%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 7.85%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Archer Aviation, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This critical measure assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August 2025. Analysts have reached a consensus estimate of negative $0.197. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Archer Aviation. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Archer Aviation is at $11.16. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point of interest for swing trading. On the downside, Archer Aviation faces its first support level at $9.29. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Archer Aviation, as gathered from various analyst sources, is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Muniz Thomas Paul, who bought and sold 384,977 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of minus 3.238. In total, insiders acquired 1,919,774 shares and disposed of 2,030,804 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Archer Aviation stock a good buy? Archer Aviation Incorporated stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a favorable trend, we anticipate that Archer Aviation Incorporated will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 16th of June, we expect Archer Aviation to open higher by approximately 2.67 cents and begin trading at $10.02. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By accessing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.